Hello, how are you? I am back again and today I'm going to do a little Coach unboxing. So this bag I actually bought pre-loved, hence the packaging, because let's be honest, when you buy it direct from Coach, it always comes in a beautiful box and a beautiful dust bag and it's just a glorious experience. But of course, when you buy it pre-loved, it's not quite the same unboxing experience, but it's also not quite the same price. So, you know, you can let some things slide. Also, I love buying pre-loved Coach bags because I love being able to get something that I can't buy in stores and just feels that little bit more rare and exciting and I don't know, just feels really special. And who am I kidding? I'm literally broke right now, so this is the only way I can afford to buy handbags. So let's dive in. Also, I promise I will tell you the price because it was an absolute bargain. I will also tell you where I got it from. But first of all, I just want to show you the bag because it's so beautiful and I just can't wait to personally see it myself because I'm hoping it's as good in real life as it was in the pictures. Okay, let's do this together. Literally, all I have seen so far is the sneakiest, peekiest peek from inside the package. This is the most I've seen of it so far and I'm so excited. Oh, look at her. She's good, right? Look at her. Oh my God, she's so good. Oh, I love it. I love it. You know, when you're like, it's exactly what I wanted. It's flashy, it's fun, it's bold, it's bright. It's just really cool and it's very like Y2K, very Coachy, very New York, very graffiti art. I love it. Okay, so let's talk about the bag. The design is perfect. I think it's so fun, so cool. And I love the fact that it wouldn't be something that I could get in store at the moment. There is some wear and tear to the transfery things that are on there. Like you can see there is some wear and tear, but that's absolutely fine. It is quite an old bag. You can see there's a little bit of kind of like scratching and wear and tear there. I think there is a little bit of wear and tear to the corners, which is absolutely fine. And kind of exactly what I'd expect. There is a tiny bit of wear and tear to like the places that get the kind of the most use, if that's the right word, you know, the kind of the most used parts of the bag, like the straps and stuff. But in general, like it is really nice condition. Like the buckle and everything's good. All the hardware is really nice. The tag is still looking good. And it's in generally kind of like really nice, clean condition. And all the places that are worn are the places that you would expect to be worn for a bag of this age. But yeah, I think it's looking like really good. Like you can just see that like the leather work around here is really good. It's just looking really good. And I love this design. So let's have a look at the inside of the bag. First of all, we've got the zip pull, which is actually in like fairly nice condition. You can see it's got a tiny bit of wear, but not a huge amount. We've got the Coach logo on the zip pull. And then on the inside, look at that lining. I love the color of that. And then it's still got the zip pull on the inside pocket, which is really cool because sometimes they do have a tendency to come out. You can see the Coach label here. You can also see the Coach label on the inside here. This one was made in 2011, so it is 14, nearly 15 years old. So it's looking really good for the age, I have to say. It's looking fantastic for the age, but I just absolutely love this and I think it's really cool and really fun. You could actually wear it this way around or you could wear it this way around. I, of course, I'm going to wear it this way around. And I think it would also look really good with a bag charm or two. So I think the only thing left to do is go upstairs and try it on, like put it with a little outfit and see how it looks. Okay, I have come upstairs to my bedroom, so let's see how it looks with my outfit. It's quite chilly today and I feel like layering up some clothing. So I've put on a tank top that I got from, I think from Vinted actually, and I'm going to put on a jacket, which might be a big look, but let's just give it a go. And I also got this from Vinted. This is actually the first time I've put it on properly and shown it off. So yeah, let's put on the bag and see how it goes. Okay, this goes to show you should always just take things out your wardrobe and put them together and see what happens. Because I took delivery of this jacket a couple of days ago and I genuinely was like, I love it, it's amazing. What the hell do I wear it with? And you know what? I think it's a look. I love it. I think it looks really cool. Am I allowed to say that? Is that weird and inappropriate? But yeah, it's basically this really cute patchwork jacket. It is vintage, and yeah, I just was like, I love it. What do I wear it with? And honestly, I think this. I've got it. I nailed it. Like, how good is that? Anyway, we're here to talk about the bag. Oh, and the light's fading, so hopefully this is not too dark. But yeah, I think this looks really good with the bag. It's very reflective. Like, it really does shine. So hopefully you can see it and it's not too highlighty. But yeah, I think this is a really cute look. I like it worn crossbody, but of course you can just wear it over the shoulder. But I'm a crossbody kind of girl. But yeah, I absolutely love this. Can you believe this bag is like 14 years old? I think it looks so cool. Yeah, I love it. It looks like something I should have bought like 10 years ago and still have in my wardrobe. And it's something that I missed out on 10 years ago because I was probably too broke to buy it. So it's now mine. Oh my God, I've just realised I have not told you how much I spent on this bag. So this bag, I love it. I really, really, really wanted it. And I bought it on Tilt. And I'm sure you've already heard me talking about Tilt, but if you haven't heard of it, it is a live shopping platform where basically you watch sellers and they are live selling and you're bidding live. It's very quick, it's quite intense, it's quite addictive, but I've got some great stuff on there for some fantastic prices. And this is my latest find, which I am honestly thrilled with. Like, I'm feeling this look. I don't want to sound up myself, but I think it looks great. You know, when you're like, I love this bag and I love the colours. I just think it goes with my clothes that I already own. Oh my God, sorry, I'm so sidetracking. Anyway, I bought it from Tilt, which is a live shopping app. I really like Tilt because it's really cheap. Like, it's really cheap. And loads of people are on there buying stuff to resell for their vintage. I personally just go on there to buy stuff for me because I'm a shopaholic and I love buying stuff. Anyway, I bought it from there and let me find out how much it cost. Okay, so I won this bag for an absolute steal of £27. I was genuinely shocked. I thought this bag was going to go way higher because I thought it was super, super cool. And I thought people were going to be fighting me hard for it. But either they were like, this girl really wants the bag, let's step aside, we're not going to have it. Or people were just not feeling the colours. But either way, I was thrilled to win it. £27 I think is an absolute bargain. And then it had a little bit of a buyer's premium on it. So in the same way that eBay do a buyer protection payment thing, I paid I think £1 or maybe £1.50 for that. And then it was £2.99 shipping. And then I got £10 off because I had a gift voucher, which I can get you one. Basically, use my refer a friend code. It will get you £10 off your first purchase. And yeah, basically that made my bag 27 plus a bit of shipping and stuff, but then £10 off. So I got this bag all in for £21.48. And that, my friends, is cheaper than you would find it in a charity shop. And I absolutely love it. Like, this is one of my favourite purchases that I've made in a sweet time. I love the gold. I love the print. I'm happy with the wear and tear on it. I'm thrilled with the price. And yeah, I just love it. I think it just fits seamlessly into my wardrobe. It's really cute. It's really easy. I can wear it crossbody. I can put my food in. I can put my snacks in. Not have to worry. And yeah, I think I'm just really thrilled with it. So that is my bag. That is how much I paid for it. Let me know what you think. Oh, and also I did have a look up when I was checking the price. I did have a quick look up on like eBay Depop, and I have found similar bags for huge amounts more. So yeah, I really got a bargain on this one. And yeah, they're not identical bags, but they are a similar, they're from obviously the same collection, but they are different silhouettes. So I'm thrilled with how much I paid. Highly recommend Tilt if you're not on there already. Like, it is worth having a look. There's a lot of like trainers on there, which I'm not into, but if you can find some like people selling more like girly stuff, then it is an absolute winner. And yeah, this bag ended up being literally like £21, which is 21 or 23. I can't remember what I said. I'm such an airhead. Anyway, I am thrilled with it. I love it. I also love my new jacket. Anyway, let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. All the shopping links and everything are below. Feel free to have a look, and I will see you again soon. Goodbye.